Hey, what's going on, everybody? We finally got the iPhone 12 Pro in hand. So I wanted to just do a quick unboxing and first impressions video before I hit everybody with the full review. And if you are in the market for a new phone and just enjoying the content in general, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel and stay posted for my full review and camera comparisons in the future. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro, 128 gigabytes in graphite. Got Apple's A14 Bionic chip with 5G capability, 6.1 Super Retina XDR display, 2500 by 1100 pixel resolutions at 460 ppi. So without further ado, let's get in the box. So the reason I decided to go with the iPhone 12 Pro is mainly because I do not have a mirrorless or a DSLR. So I just decided to get an extra iPhone. I do have an 11 Pro Max that I will be using as my main camera, and the 12 Pro will be my everyday carry phone. So everything from texting, calling, social media, quick pictures of the kids. Now, getting into the phone, this phone does have the same form factor as the iPhone 4, 5, and 5S, if you remember those. And I'm going to be honest, I do like it. I do like it. I often feel like the 10, the iPhone 11, those rounded edges, they're just so slippery. You never really have a real grasp on your phone. This I can actually use it without a case because of the sharper edges kind of make it whole lot more easier to grip. And on the back we have Apple's Pro camera system. Apple's Pro camera system consists of a LiDAR scanner that you can use with their AR apps, a wide angle camera with a f1.6 aperture that lets in more light now, a telephoto camera with a f2.0 aperture, an ultra wide with a f2.4 aperture, and a front facing camera with a f2.2 aperture. Pretty much what the aperture is, it's just the size of the opening of the lens in the camera. So when you have low numbers like 2.2, 2.4, 1.6, it just means that more light is able to enter the camera. And that is the 5G antenna band. And I really do like this new phone. It's like Apple combined the iPhone 11, the iPhone 6, and the iPhone 5 to get this one phone. I do like this phone, but I feel like there's one place that Apple seriously dropped the ball, and that's Face ID, especially with everyone having to wear masks. Not sure if you noticed, but for the Google Pixel 5, it looks like Google completely dumped their use of Face Unlock and their Face Unlock technology just for a simple fingerprint scanner on the back, considering the times now. So if you have an iPhone 10 or newer, you technically can't get into your phone without typing in the passcode because everyone has masks on. And I believe that this issue could have been fixed by just putting the iPad 4th generation's fingerprint scanning technology on the side of the iPhone 12 Pro. That I would be able to use either my finger or my thumb just to get into my phone. And this is where I really feel that Apple dropped the ball, and one of just one of the many reasons that's pushing me to stop upgrading every year to Apple's new phones. Because you can't just be innovative with the big things, you got to be innovative with the small things too. But this was just a quick unboxing and first impressions video, just my thoughts on the iPhone 12 Pro. This is Dave, over and out.